former BCCI President and ICC Chair N. Srinivasan ji, former Team India Captain and 1983 World Cup winner Shri Kapil Dev, former Team India Captain and Lieutenant Colonel MS Dhoni, IPL Chairman and my colleague Mr. Brijesh Patel, and Tamil Nadu Cricket Association President Ms. Rupa Gurunath. Ladies and gentlemen, when I was invited for this wonderful function, the first thing I was looking forward to seeing was the love and affection of the people of Tamil Nadu having for their franchisee, Chennai Super King. The connect between fan and franchisee is magical. Why not when you are having a captain like MS Dhoni? The way Mr. N. Srinivasan built the team, it's not merely a team, but a family. A family that comes from different parts of the world and sticks together through thick and thin. Mr. Srinivasan has been a veteran cricket administrator, and one can see his stamp on his team. He never interferes in cricketing decision, but he empowers his team to take informed decision. A lot of credit of CSK's success over the years will go to Mr. Srinivasan because he stood by his team in his difficult time. I must add that Kashi Viswanathan, we called him Kashi ji, is like glue which binds team together. Season after season, he is navigating the team through difficult phases. I remember when CSK was stuck down in the COVID in 13th IPL season, he put in a lot of work and got everyone together in extended quarantine time. It wasn't easy at all. The way he managed it, he inspired us with energy and passion. Talking about the 13th edition of the IPL, I had observed that when CSK struggled that season, many said that team is old, it's Andred's army. They felt that fast-paced game was not suited for CSK veteran. But they forgot that experience is not bought in the market. Experience is earned through determination and hard work. How can anyone take CSK so lightly when you are having a captain like MS? MS Dhoni is a heartbeat and backbone of the CSK. Mahi is the most successful captain India has ever produced. System that he has set and the culture the team has developed will always give a result, be it for India or for Chennai Super King. The bond he has built and legacy he has created will stay for ages. I recall my interaction with Mahi when I approached him to the mentorship role for the Team India. I told MS that India needs you. India needs your support and sharp understanding for the game, for his service. Indian cricket is proud to have a leader like MS who are ready to serve whenever the country needs them. The magical turnaround of the CSK this season has a lot to do with Dhoni's cool and calm persona. The CSK has in their core group but showed confidence in them. The CSK has shown special commitment for Test cricket too. When CSK bid for Mr. Cheteshwar Pujara and where hammer went down, the room was filled with applause both for Pujara as well as CSK. I know that you all are eagerly waiting to see CSK play at the Chepauk. The moment is not very far. The 15th season of the IPL will take place in India and it will be more exciting than ever with two new teams joining. We have a mega auction coming up, so it will be interesting to see what the new combination looks like. Once again, congratulations to Chennai Super King for being crowned the champion. I would like to thank Mr. N. Srinivasan for inviting me in such a wonderful function. Have a great evening, all of you. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. Congratulations on a fabulous IPL season that's gone by. But the biggest takeaway for us is that we could very soon see the men in yellow walk out onto their favorite stadium.